Everyone, today we're going to be doing a little bit of maintenance on our 3-liter Powerstroke F150. This truck's got about 30,000 miles on it right now. So part of the owner's manual, it's time to go ahead and change the fuel filters on it as well. So in conjunction doing an oil change and air filter change, we'll get that taken care of. A couple big things to pay attention to in the wintertime for diesels is definitely you need to have good fuel filters. This truck's got a canister style filter, as well as an inline filter that needs to be changed. Oil filter is a cartridge type filter. And then this is the factory air filter that has 24,000 miles on it. And then we're just going to do a factory OEM replacement drop-in filter. These drop-in filter replacements they're really good, especially in this day and age of vehicles. Your intake system is already a cold air intake. As you can see, it pulls air straight in from right in front of the grill, and then it shoves it into the air box. So there's really no reason to spend $400 on a pretty piece of plastic with a clear lens on it so you can see a cotton filter in there. Stock power trucks, or within the realm of stock power trucks, just stick with OEM drop-in replacements. Save your money for something else. So yeah, back to diesel fuel in wintertime. So fuel changes in the winter. You'll hear a lot of people talk about winter blend fuel. This is to help mitigate gelling of diesel fuel, because when diesel fuel gets cold, it contains paraffin wax, which actually solidifies and will not allow the diesel fuel to flow into your fuel system, which will cause a no-start condition. Could leave you stranded on the side of the road or whatever. But one of the things you can mitigate that with is going to be keep fresh fuel filters in the truck. Not to mention, this is your defense against bad fuel with dirt and contaminants going into your injection pump and your injectors. And if you ever have to replace those, it's very, very expensive. So go ahead and, if it's been a while since you changed your fuel filters, go ahead and change those out. You can also keep a bottle of like emergency 911 diesel fuel degeller if you're in the colder parts of the country, in case you do get stuck on the side of the road, or even keep a spare set of fuel filters on you. So if you do get into a no-start condition, you can go ahead and swap your filters out and then get you back on the road.